Went from 120 questions, passing 2 sections, near passing 1, and then I think 2 below passing to 70 questions passing completely. I'm going to say either I had posted something about trying to find something to help study better, or somebody else did, and that's how I found it. So it's in one of the posts. And I had seen it before, before I had gotten it, and I'm like, can't pass something on easy mode like this. What is he talking about? So, I mean, I was skeptical over it, and now I'm not. I was using Medic test. When I went to take my first test, I had in my mind that I don't need to study because I've never had to study before for anything, and got A's all the way through school. So that was like a shock to me. And so I grabbed my book and I bought like $100 worth of stuff off of Amazon for studying. And second time, went in to take it, I didn't do anything. So, I mean, it went up a little bit. And then after the second time and I found out that I failed, I got Medic test and I used that for like a month, and then I still didn't feel confident. And so 2 days before I went to take my test, I found your course, and so I binge watched the videos on YouTube and I binge watched the stuff on the course, and I really think that helped a lot. Seeing that other people were using you and they had really good things to say. So I said, what the hell, it's $50. I'm going to go ahead and get it. You get a lifetime access for it. So I went ahead and got it. I went from 120 questions, passing 2 sections, near passing 1, and then I think 2 below passing to 70 questions passing completely. I mean, yeah, in 2 days. So I would tell them, go ahead and buy it, because it's very, very helpful. And especially if you're not sure on some things, or you just don't know, that I'd tell them, just go ahead. It's not gonna hurt anything. I think it's awesome because I haven't found anything out there that's like that. And it really helped me. You explain things on a different level, very simply.